What happens to your job when AI really takes off? I built a tool to help you explore that. Let me show you. You start by dragging your position on this chart. Left to right is how much AI takes over versus helps you. Up and down is how regulated things get. So if I put myself here, high automation, low regulation, that's a very different world than over here. Something else you can test is how things will change under different economic conditions. Boom may boost AI use for growth, while recession may trigger cost savings. Then you describe what you actually do, your profession, where you live, maybe list some of your daily tasks. You don't have to give out all the details, but the more specific you are, the better will be the outcome. Pick how far out you want to look, 5, 10, or 20 years, and set the vibe. Defaults are normally fine if you just started exploring, but here you have the chance to choose between more realistic or more creative. Do you prefer serious or playful? Maybe somewhere in between. If you are looking for a quick answer, choose the brief, but it is really the standard and detailed story length that paints a complete picture. Hit Generate Scenario and you get a story. Not a generic "the future of work" essay, an actual narrative with a fictional character like you in your field, living in that specific future you just defined. You can save it as a PDF, copy the story, or share on social media. At the bottom of the page, there's also this AI future dashboard that breaks down your job task by task and shows what might get automated versus what stays human. Still in beta version, but we are working on adding more jobs to the database. For a visual representation of the results, check out the AI Partnership Quadrant chart. Remember, it's not about predicting the future, it's about playing with possibilities and being prepared when the time comes. Try it out.